At the edge of the world, a lone swordsman stands tall. His red scarf dances with the wind.
In the heart of the neon city, she walks alone.
They called you a beast, feared you, hunted you, but they never saw the soul I did.
The sky burns red as chaos erupts. Blades clash, sparks fly. Our hero charges forward, eyes locked on the enemy, dodging bullets in a blur. With one mighty roar, he leaps.
What if I tell you that you can create beautiful cinematic quality animation using nothing but your imagination and few lines of text? Hey everyone, this is Mike from Create Login and Delete, and in this video I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can create stunning animated scenes using text prompts and AI tools. And for this we'll be using 5 AI tools. First, ChatGPT for narration and prompt. Second, Dreamina for image generation. Third, OpenAI TTS for voiceover. Fourth, Hydra AI for video generation. And at last, CapCut for editing and finalizing the video. And with the help of these tools, we're gonna turn this into this. So now without further ado, let's get started. Now step 1. Writing the script with ChatGPT. Step 1, we start with the story. So here I used ChatGPT to write a short, emotional, engaging script. So here, once I am headed to the ChatGPT, I'll just give it a prompt like write a 20 seconds anime scene about a warrior saying goodbye to her dragon. And after that, within a second, ChatGPT will give you a dramatic, heartfelt scene complete with dialogue and stage direction. Now, you can even refine it, add chapters depth, and customize the narration according to your need. And this part is so fun because it's where your creativity takes the lead, and AI just brings it to life. And with that, let's move forward to the step 2. That is generating visuals with Dreamina. So head over to the dreamina.ai, but make sure that you are logged in to your account. And here, once you are in the main interface, simply click on the image generation, and here you can give it a prompt for the image generation. But wait, I'm sure that you are confused like where can I get a prompt for image generation? So don't worry, I'm gonna show you how you can get the prompt. So for this, simply head over to the ChatGPT where you have created the scene earlier. And here you can simply write something like create a prompt for the image generation for the scene you have created earlier. And once you do that, it will create you the prompt for image generation. So once the prompt is created, you simply have to copy that prompt and simply head over to the Dreamina and paste that prompt. And you can even add some prompts for the key scenes, and Dreamina will transform these simple prompts into beautiful high quality still frames that look like they were pulled straight out of anime movie. And yes, you can generate as many frames as you want, tweak the lighting, you can tweak styles, angles, you can just keep refining until it's perfect. And once you're done with that, you can simply download the image. And here, once you're done with the image generation, and hey, if you're finding this helpful so far, why not hit that like button and subscribe? It really helps the channel, and there is a lot more coming on your way. And with that, moving towards the video. So step 3, voice acting with OpenAI TTS. Okay, so now we need a voice for our character. So this is where OpenAI TTS text-to-speech magic comes in. So simply head over to the OpenAI TTS, and here make sure that you are logged in with your account. And here in the OpenAI TTS, as I am using the free version, I am provided with the 9 voice. But if you don't like it here, you can head over to the 11 Labs too. It's the great AI tools for voiceovers too, but for this video I'm gonna simply stick with OpenAI TTS. So for this, you can simply head back to the ChatGPT and ask for the ChatGPT to create the narration or the dialogues of the anime scene that you have created earlier. And ChatGPT will give it the narration for you. And once you are provided with the narration script, you can simply copy that script and paste them into OpenAI TTS engine. And after that, you need to choose your voice. It can either be male, female, calm, intense. You can choose your voice according to your needs. And once you have selected the voice, you simply need to click on Create Speech. And it will create a speech for you.
They called you a beast, feared you, hunted you, but they never saw the soul I did.
So just download the audio, and just like that, you have got clean expressive dialogue in seconds. And this literally saves you hours of recording, and it sounds incredibly real. And with that, let's move forward to the step 4, that is animating with Hedra AI. So finally, with all the things in our hand, we will animate everything with Hedra AI, an amazing platform that lets you turn your images, voices and scripts into short animated sequences. So simply head over to the Hedra AI and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply click on Video and it will prompt you to the Videos tab. Now here you have to upload the still frames that you have downloaded earlier from Dreamina and sync them with the voiceover that you have downloaded from OpenAI TTS. And with that, you can also write a prompt for your character to adjust the emotion and gesture with the video and audio. But that's totally optional. And here, once you're done with that, you can just click on the arrow icon, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on Continue, and with just a few tweaks, Hedra will handle motion, lip sync and even the camera pans. And after that, you will get a result with a beautiful 20-second animated shot for which you didn't drew a single frame. So just download the video. You can also use Hedra AI to blend scenes together, create transition and export it as a video ready for YouTube and TikTok. But for that, you need to upgrade your plan and purchase the credit packs from them so you can generate more videos, as the free trial doesn't allow you to generate more videos. And with that, moving forward to the last step, that is using CapCut for editing and finalizing the video. And now here, let's polish the video with CapCut, the perfect free video editor for making your AI animation look cinematic. So here I imported the final animation from Hedra AI into CapCut, and from there I did few key things. Here I added the background music. You can add the background music by choosing a fitting soundtrack, whether it's emotional piano or epic orchestral. You can do it to match the tone of your scene. And CapCut has built-in music library, or you can even upload your own music in it. And here you can add different other things like text, stickers, video effects, transition, CapCut, filters, and lots of adjustment to uplift your video. And once you're happy with the edit, just export it in HD and you are ready to share it with the world. And with that, that's how the final videos looks like.
They called you a beast, feared you, hunted you, but they never saw the soul I did. You carried me through fire, through silence, through grief, and now I ask you to fly one last time, not for war, not for glory, but for peace.
And that's it. From script to animation, using just prompts and free AI tools like ChatGPT, Dreamina, OpenAI TTS, Hedra and CapCut, you have created the anime scenes. And with this, if this video helped you to spark your creativity, you can go ahead and smash that like button, share this with your creative friends, and subscribe for more AI and art tutorials. And hey, if you really like this video, don't forget to turn on notification to stay updated for more videos. And with this, until next time, keep creating and keep imagining.